Don't be scared. This is just your Toniebox speaking. Before we can get started, I need to be set up first.
Before we can get started, I need to be set up.
Great! Now I'm ready for the Tonies. Have fun!
Hi, Tony friend. I'm so happy you're here. I'm Gabby. So nice to meet you. Are you ready for some fantastic adventures inside my dollhouse? Come on! First, let me show you what I'm working on in my bedroom. I think you'll like the sound of it.
Hey Gabby, take us to the dollhouse. Hey Gabby, little by little let's live in the meow. Meow 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 meow. Hey Gabby, what's the big surprise? Let's shrink right down and go inside. Hey Gabby, meow.
Ta-da! It's a rainbow-colored xylophone. I've got 6 jars here on my desk, and they've all got kitty cat. Hi, Tony friend.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go
The download has stopped too soon. Please check if I'm still connected to the internet.